Hey YouTube, TimmyJ1597 here, and going to teach you how to fill your Zippo. First of all, it's kind of hard to get the little tip open with just your fingernails, so trick I learned from cutlery lever, use the top of your Zippo. And it's open. Now, you're going to take your insert, flip the hinge, invert it, and put it back in the case, upside down. You are going to lift up the felt pad, turn it upside down, and fill it for 5 seconds. Now, I already filled mine before the video. Yeah, should have waited. Then after 5 seconds, you're going to wait another 10 seconds, let it saturate, then you're going to do it again for another 5 seconds. After you do that, close up your fuel, set it to the side, push the felt pad back down, turn it back over. Yep. And yeah, it should work pretty well. First video, like, comment, dislike, tell me what I gotta work on, what you liked, subscribe. There's gonna be more videos coming up. I'm receiving my AGM M16 for those who do airsofts, and there's some Zippo tutorials that I can do if on request. Drop me a comment. I'll try to learn the trick as quick as possible, and yeah, I'll make a video.